Good morning po mga ka-Jesnabs. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga proclamations para sa mga special non-working days. Ito, proclamation number 950. Nag-declare na sa August 1, Friday, ay special non-working day sa Municipality of Kapalong, Province of Davao del Norte. Ito ay dahil sila ay mag-celebrate ng kanilang 77th founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary sa inyo. Ito pa, proclamation number 951, declaring Monday, August 4, a special non-working day in the city of Tacurong, Province of Sultan Kudarat. Ito ay dahil ang City of Tacurong, Sultan Kudarat ay mag-celebrate ng kanilang 74th founding anniversary sa August 3, 2025, which falls on Sunday. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Tacurong City. Ito pa, proclamation number 952. Declaring August 6, Wednesday ito, 2025, a special non-working day in the Municipality of Pilar, Province of Sorsogon. Ito ay dahil sa August 6, Wednesday, the Municipality of Pilar, Province of Sorsogon will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Pilar, Sorsogon. Ito pa, proclamation number 953, declaring Thursday, August 7, 2025, a special non-working day in the Municipality of Rosario, Province of La Union. Ito ay dahil sila ay mag-celebrate ng kanilang founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Rosario, Province of La Union. Ito pa, proclamation number 954. Wednesday naman ito, August 13, 2025, a special non-working day sa Municipality of Bumbon, Municipality of Bumbon, Province of Camarines Sur. Ito ay dahil sa August 13, Wednesday, sila ay mag-celebrate ng kanilang founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Bumbon, Province of Camarines Sur. Ito pa, proclamation number 955, declaring naman ito na sa Monday, August 18, a special non-working day in the Municipality of Solana, Province of Cagayan. Ito ay dahil sa August 18, Monday, the Municipality of Solana, Province of Cagayan will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Solana, Cagayan. Ito pa, proclamation number 956. Saturday naman ito, August 30, a special non-working day in the Municipality of Arakan, Province of Cotabato. Kasi sa August 30, Saturday, the Municipality of Arakan, Province of Cotabato will mark the celebration of its 34th founding anniversary. Happy anniversary po dyan sa Arakan. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa inyo.